Well, hey, good morning, or whatever day whatever time of the day it is at your place. I don't know if it's good morning, good evening, good afternoon, good mid-morning, but we're gonna make a breakfast. And I was washing Jessica Donahue, on Gizmo. It's okay. On her channel, and she made this breakfast casserole. I was like, oh my gosh, that looks amazing. So I'm going to try to make it just as well. And you need some biscuits, and I've already guessed. Y'all look. I swallowed a frog right before I pressed record, so that's going really, really well. But you need some biscuits, and we're just going to cut them up in fourths, and make sure that, you know, your biscuits are kind of been sitting in the refrigerator for quite some time, and that they bust all over the place and they're kind of ooey gooey, because those are the best kind to have. But what we need is to have our homemade gravy. Yes, I've already made it, by George. I've got our sausage. I'm a mixer. You don't have to do this, but I'm going to go ahead and mix my sausage in with my gravy, just because this is the base of what we're making. See that steam heat? What? I know, it looks amazing, doesn't it? And I have some scrambled eggs that I'm going to put in, but I'm only going to make a small casserole because I can't eat any of this. I have to have the healthy stuff, so I'm going to put mine on this bread. I know, it's kind of not the same, but kind of is the same, so we'll see. I don't know what... Sorry, that frog's wanting to come back up. But I'm going to... I think I want to use all 8 of these biscuits. I'm not sure if I do or don't. Maybe I'll just bake them. I don't know. I could find another recipe to use them with. But I do want to put the gravy down here. Should I spray this, you think? I mean, the sausage does have right much grease in it. Let me get some spray. We'll use this fake butter stuff. All right. Grandma got the sides. I'll never let her live it down, by George. Okay, but before I do that, I need to make mine. So, and I got the egg whites to go on mine versus the egg yolks. So we're just going to take mine. I'm not even going to warm it because this is pretty warm. I'm just going to layer some gravy on it. I will show you what the casserole looks like. I'm just going to show you what mine is looking like, because you know me, got to get rid of Big Tina here. She's got to disappear. That's plenty of gravy, probably a little too much. We get a spoon. Put my egg whites on there. You could add cheese to this, I guess, if you wanted to. Bunky didn't do it when she put hers together, so I'm not doing it when I put mine together. So we'll see. And that's it. That's all there is. Now mine doesn't look too appealing, does it? Maybe it's because it's not color. I mean, I could put some avocado up there, some tomato, but y'all, that might be a little on the healthy side, but it sure is good. So yeah. Okay, let's get to this one. So we're just going to dump the eggs in here, and I'm going to stir it up. And I like a deep dish casserole, but I'm not eating it, so I don't know why it matters what I like. But just saying. I'm going to dump it in here. It may not take all of it. Let's see. because we got to nestle the biscuits down in there. I've already preheated my oven to 350 degrees. Yeah, I'm on top of things, aren't I? Aren't y'all proud of me? I'm gonna try to put them nice and tight so that, you know, I can use, yeah, I can use some more. And this should take about 15-20 minutes to cook. I'm assuming the time that it would take the biscuits to cook. So, till it all gets nice and bubbly again. Look at there, y'all. We did it. Then Caitlin will get to eat this the rest of the week. Alrighty, y'all. It's out. This is what she looks like. Look at her bubbling. Look at her bubbling. It's not focusing, but it's bubbling. I just worry about the middle being done. See, it's a little gooey. It's all right. The youngins will eat it. They don't care. Okay. Caitlin and Jacob's giving you the taste test. Is that hot, Caitlin?
Uh-huh. A little bit.
It was bubbling when it came out.
A little bit.
Is it?
Yeah.
Could you eat it a couple of mornings for breakfast?
Yes.
For school?
Yes.
Yeah.
Well, that's what's left after they devoured it. All right, y'all do the closing.
Oh, no.
Come on, Jacob, you do it.
I forget it.
Oh, my land. Seriously? DJ, you're going to do it. Where's he at?
I'm down
Right here.
All right, I hope this video,
Put some yummy in your tummy and a smile in your heart.
there you go. See you guys later.